Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The vibrancy of the dancehall culture was showcased at Catherine Hall in Montego Bay as the performance segment of the 2018 Reggae Sumfest got underway on Friday night. Up-and-coming artists who graced the stage at this year's festival included Tosh Alexander, Preske, Yannick Curvy Diva. However, it was new dancehall sensation Rygin King who had the crowd buzzing. The 23-year-old Montego Bay native delivered a passionate performance, delivering his hardcore lyrics, performing past his allotted time, which was to the delight of the fans anyways. Popcorn, who was among the night's masterful performers, had his supporters in a frenzy as he dropped his past and current hits, including We Pray with Dre Island. Idona delivered a very strong performance with hits after hits from his ever-growing catalog. His label-mate Governor didn't disappoint, delivering hit songs like Baked Bean and Girl Clown. Agent Sasko performed early and delivered an engaging and entertaining set, which not only showcased his growth and maturity as an artist, but also solidified his status in the dancehall fraternity. Entertainer Ioctane, who was awarded by festival organizers for his 10 years of performing at the festival, brought his versatility to the set, jumping off stage. Dancehall stalwart Bounty Killer's appearance at this year's staging set a record for having made the most Sumfest appearances as an artist. Killer performed at the greatest reggae show on earth for the 25th time. Sumfest is 26 years old. Anticipated female DJ Spice pulled off yet another gem on Friday night as she used the theme from the Black Panther movie to deliver a fascinating Wakanda Forever inspired performance. Tommy Lee Sparta was worth the wait as he closed the show with his usual high-energy performance. Other acts including Massacre, crowd pleaser Sizzler, the energetic Ding Dong and his ravers Clavers, Shano, and African dancehall sensation Stoneboy all contributed to another successful staging of a Reggae Sumfest dancehall night. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll have highlights from Reggae Night. Now to updates in the cartel appeal trial. In the appeal court this morning, Senior Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions Dermy Taylor continued to criticize arguments made by lawyers for the appellants. Mr. Taylor maintained that Judge Justice Lennox Campbell's decision to not dismiss the jury when the matter of bribery of a juror came up could not have mounted to miscarriage in justice. The prosecution maintained that there was nothing wrong with the procedure of Justice Lennox Campbell warning the jurors about their oath when the bribery matter was brought to his attention. Lawyers for the appellants, Vibes Cartel, Sean Storm, Andre St. John and Kahira Jones have been arguing that the accused men were tried by a compromised jury. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.